Hello my fellow nerds. Today we have a big box over here. This video is about trying to change the graphics card on a PowerMac G5, a quad-core PowerMac G5. The thing is, this card may not be it. Why, you ask? Didn't you check it before you purchased it? No. Long story short, the seller was selling it as non-functional, as not working. And I didn't check it because reasons, so it may not work at all. But I have a theory. It said fine working, no video output, so the card's getting power. So maybe he knows it's an Apple card, but maybe he tried this card on a Mac Pro, the first generation Mac Pro, the one that has the same case as the PowerMac G5. So maybe, just maybe, it has the PowerMac G5 BIOS on the card and it's not working because of that. So maybe it works actually. So let's just unbox it and see. It's kind of a box. I don't know if you can see it over there, but it's like one box and then another box into the box. And he could have shown it just by dismantling the card a little bit. Anyway, even if it fails, even if the card is not good, I'm gonna upload it and I'll save the video anyway. He was very kind with me, talking via email and everything, telling that I didn't check the description. Okay, so it's over there. Oh, that's a lot of wrap. At least he protected it. Comes from like 10,000 miles away. Oh. Maybe just a knife. And my trusty, beautiful Swiss Army knife. Oh God! It's so transparent. I don't know which way I should. Oh shit! I'm gonna cut myself, right? I'm definitely gonna cut myself. Just to know it. That's gonna be good. Oh shit. Oh shit, I got it. Okay, anti-static bag and everything. That's beautiful. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, there we go. Let's open this puppy up. This is a proper Apple Nvidia card. I didn't see anything broken on the top. That I did check that on the description. On the lower part of the board, we can't see any kind of resistor going off or any broken leg. If I check more thoroughly, the last time I got an Nvidia Quadro FX 4500, which is the best card you can get for a PowerPC G5 Mac. This one over here, it's beautiful, it's shiny, it's big as fuck compared to the other one. Look at the difference. It's a 2-slot card, but it has the shiny backplate, which I thought, okay, that's fine. I can mod the BIOS on it and make it work, and came with the bracket and everything. But the thing is, this one does not have any kind of shiny thing over there. It should have a heatsink on the back memory chips, but it doesn't have any memory chips in the back. It's empty because it's one-sided. It's like the second revision. This one's meant for a PC, but you could flash this and get it into a Mac Pro, 2006 Mac Pro. But it doesn't have the backplate, so I can't mod the BIOS to work on my G5. So yeah, I have a useless piece of crap right now. Well, it works. I think it was connected to my PC and it works, but it's so old that I can't do anything with my modern PC or even my retro PC, because my retro PC has Windows 98 and the Quadro doesn't work on Windows 98. So yeah, I think it's time to get this into the PowerMac G5. So we'll change settings and everything. And so this is the PowerMac G5 Quad. I have another PowerMac over there, and look at all this mess over there. I have too many things in too little space. Okay, let's open it up. Let's just go like this, and yeah, it's open and it's beautiful. It's actually a beautiful computer on the inside. It's beautiful design. The big heatsink and the fans and everything's like modular, and all the RAM over here. It has more RAM over there, but you can't see it because of the camera angle. So let's get to it. Okay, you just have to do like this. We'll plug, and now you can do whatever you want with the PowerMac G5. Well, kinda. The thing is, I did purchase already a power cable because I was going to get the Quadro thing I said earlier. But this card comes with another power cable, much nicer power cord with striped thingies over here, and it looks more genuine. This is quite too long, so I'll probably just get this out and put the other one, but I can get it out just with my fingers because I can't reach. So I'll just remove the bracket for the PCI Express cards. So luckily for us, this computer doesn't need any special screws for general maintenance and everything. So just with a Phillips screwdriver, I can get to it. I can see shit right now actually because I'm pretty far away. I'll probably get my extender. Now I can reach it. Okay, now we fucking. Okay, I need a bigger head. Okay, so just unscrew the bottom one. Oh, one screw out. Unscrew. Oh shit. Puta. Unscrew the top one on the opposite corner. Okay, there we go. Alright, screw. Now it's on. Okay. So now I can remove the bracket, just like so. Okay, there we go, the bracket. Yay, it's very dirty. Maybe I can clean it up a little. And just unplug the power cable. That's it. We're done. And look how nice it is now. It's shiny and beautiful and doesn't have any fucking mud on it. Great. Okay, let's get back to the computer. And so to clean a computer, how to clean a computer? First of all, I have to take this card out. Be very careful when you take the screws out, because if it's not magnetized, if your screwdriver is not magnetized, the screw will fall right down there, and good luck catching it. Especially because it could touch the motherboard and the pump and everything. Because yes, this computer is actually water cooled, so if it touches the pump and anything goes wrong, you're pretty fucked up actually. We can reach down here and find the PCIe thingy, and hopefully, oh come on, don't do this to me. Okay, okie dokie, and this is the stocker. This is a GeForce 6600 passively cooled. It's a piece of crap. So we're gonna clean this out, and how? With Windex! Well, it's not Windex, it's Cristasol. Remember to put it directly on the paper. Okie dokie. Let's clean this shit so it gets nice and beautiful. It's not perfect, but this will do for now. I'll probably do a full teardown eventually on the channel, this G5, like I did with my other G5, but this one's actually much more interesting to disassemble. Okay, it's in there. Just one way. So don't you worry if you think you'll fuck up and get it the other way. You can't. You actually can't put it in the other way. Don't forget your bracket. Come on. Okay. And it's in. Now we have to screw it. But I'm missing one screw. Okay, that's in. Okay, let's put in the other screw. Okay, it's in. Okay, it's done. Now it's secure in place. Now let's plug in the graphics card. I hope it works. I really hope it works. If it doesn't, well, it wouldn't be an interesting video talking about check things on eBay before you click the buy now button. Okay, so line it up over there and over here. Okay. Oh shit! The case is in the way. Fuck! The case of the home computer is in the way. It's a fucking suicide. You can't get it in there. Look, it doesn't fit. Oh fuck! Like, it's a very cool design, but I can see its flaws now. I can clearly see its flaws. It's not like it couldn't before. It's just, it seems stupid that this is a flaw. Oh shit! How did this card bust? Why? Fuck! Come on, you have to look on the internet. You wanna be the lousy guy that doesn't know how to put a PCI card in there. Come on. Fuck. I really don't know how to do it. I'm actually lost in there. I am actually lost. What the fuck? It doesn't go over there. I know it doesn't. No, it doesn't. It goes down because then the card is tilted. It shouldn't be. It should be aligned. Oh, fuck, this is not fair. How am I supposed to do this? It actually doesn't fit. Well, it should fit like it fits. But it fits if you don't put it in there. Oh god, there's no way. Oh shit. Oh shit. Holy shit. I'm afraid to flex the card too much and break it. Okay. Oh, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. I think I did it. My nuts. I think I did it. Okay, let's just plug this in. Let's just give it some juice. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay. It's there. Great. So I'm not gonna put everything back in. I'm not gonna like super screw the GBI cable because this has 2 DVI ports, as you could see earlier. I just put this back on so it doesn't like go apeshit. I'll change to TV cam, like not capture. I would just go the camera over the monitor. You go back there. And let's see if it works. And if it doesn't, well, fuck me. This will be an educational video. Yay! Okay, so let's power on the PowerMac G5. Let's see what it does. There's a bong. We have power on the input signal. Come on, come on. We have an image. It was not broken. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Oh my god, I can't believe this. My fucking bed worked. That's normal. Don't say it, that's normal. Oh, it works. It works. Okay, let's just check. that it actually works, and it's just doing like using shitty drivers or anything. Graphics, yes, please. It works. Okay. Let me zoom in this for you so you can. GeForce 7800 GT, 256 megs of VRAM, PCIe. Oh yeah, dude. Then 20 by 1080. Okay. Oh, this is awesome. This is actually very awesome. Oh, I'm so freaking happy, man. I really thought I was purchasing a wrong card, which wouldn't work. What to do now? I guess we could go over to capture mode, and maybe we can get some footage or something working, so you can see the actual horsepower of the 7800 GT. So after this, I think we'll go to capture mode and see some shit. Maybe we can see the true power of the PowerMac G5 by playing Minecraft. It's the most powerful game I have on this platform right now, unless you wanna go play Tremulous or something. Okay, so we are on capture screen mode, so we have more freedom and more quality. Though, for whatever reason, it's getting the signal interlaced. I'm using the FrameMeister to de-interlace the signal, so it should come quite clear on the screen. But anyway, let's get going. So first of all, we need some temperature measurements. I have to connect to the server manually. Okay. And for this, I'll just skip because you have to use my email, and you don't want to see my email. Okay, so we're connected, and I'm missing one disk. I'm missing disk E. Oh, because I didn't reshare it when I. Oh, okay. That's fine. It's this D. Mac things, and I want to have some shady software over here. Oh, okay, here it is. So let's drag it over here. So now we have it, and we need something better, because with archive utility we can't open 7Z files. So let's get the proper thing to open 7Z files on PowerPC Macs, which is Keka. I use Keka, maybe you say Kika or something. And despite whatever they say, okay, let's zoom in so you can see. You see it says 10.6 or higher, 10.5 or higher, or 10.4 Tiger. Okay, there's a problem. Okay, I'm a Leopard. You can see it's Leopard. But for whatever reason, Keka for Leopard doesn't work on Leopard. I guess because it works on PowerPC Macs. It doesn't. I'm sorry, because it doesn't work on PowerPC Macs. So it only works on Intel Macs. So you have to download this one. So if you're ever on need for Keka for PowerPC, use the Tiger version. That's the only one that works. So let's just save the file. Okay, there's the file. Let's open the file. And there it is. There's Keka. Just grab it to the app folder, and it's installed already. Yay! Yay, macOS. Let's open this shit. Show application. Yes, please. I want Keka. Okay, so now it should be. Yeah, now it's extracting. Okay. Great, so let's install iStatMenus 3.19, which is the last version for it. Okay, it's installed. Hello, wibbity woo. iStatMenus. Install for users. Yes, please.
20 minutes later.
Why does it take so fucking long? Okay, seriously, what the fuck are you doing? Are you trying to conquer over the world? Why are you taking so long? Oh, now it asks for the fucking password. God damn it. But I don't have a password. Oh, I guess it's this one. Okay, so what's my password? Oh man, I don't know what my password is. Oh shit, I didn't use it to log in. Oh, fuck. Fuck me. Installation failed. Okay, let's retry it. What's my password? Oh my fucking god, I don't have a password on this system. Oh, that sucks. That sucks. Change the password. Old password. Let's just do new password and maybe we can get away with this. Just maybe. Oh, fuck. Because I don't remember putting on a password when I installed the system like 2 days ago. Incorrect password, I know. Oh shit, let's just open a terminal to try passwords instead of trying it on iStats. Okay, so I don't know, sudo nano. Oh fuck, you have a French keyboard, but I'm not French. Okay, yeah, to proceed you have to enter the password. I know, so let's try this one. Okay, okay, it's not that one. Okay, let's try this one. Fuck. Okay, sudo nano. Oh, I don't know what my password is. What the how did this happen? How could this happen to me? This is going terribly wrong. It's not that one. Is it? No, it's not. I didn't install this with this keyboard, so the layout should be correct. Okay, this sucks. This sucks balls, man. Oh, come on. Maybe got it. Maybe. Yay, okay, now I remember my password. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Okay, I have to remember it and change it for later so I don't forget. Okay, so now it's installed. Yeah, so with this beautiful thingy-majiggy, I can see how the computer is working, and I prefer percentages because I don't like graphs. It's not useful when you just wanna see what the fuck is it doing. This usage, I don't need it. Disk activity, I don't need it. Network, I don't need it. Sensors, yes please. Okay, so the temps, I have the temps over here. This is the eternal temp. I don't want this. I don't want this. So let's just get CPU core A, CPU core B, no, core 2, core 1. Okay, CPU B core 1 and CPU B core 2. And now GPU diode, which will be actually very useful. So we can know the temperature of our GPU. Okay, that's it. I'll register. Because I do have a key over here, but I'll blur it out. Like you don't want to steal my code, do you? Okay, activate it so it won't bother me and it won't uninstall after 15 days pass. Let's try to zoom in a bit because it will be difficult to see. GPU diode 32 degrees Celsius. That's actually very good. So we have Minecraft over here. That's the PowerPC version of Minecraft. It's like a hacked launcher, so it works on PowerPC. Okay, and we are in. Let's change the video settings. Let's change. Okay, it's fancy, smooth sliding. Let's go too far. Let's see if it could handle it. I did try this on the other card. I should have done like a video of the other cards, so you could have like a comparison. But that's fine. That's fine. I think you can see. Okay, let's just do a new world so we can see how fast it loads and everything. Okay, survival. Okay, let's just create a new world and see how it handles. Okay. Oh, it's working.
Come on, load. Well, it's not perfect, but now it's loading. Okay, now it's getting smoother. Okay, let's see. Oh, come on. You can do it, baby. Come on. Don't hang on me. Hello? Okay, there you are. That's probably not the graphics card or the memory, because I have 16 gigs of memory in this computer, so it should work rather nice. I think it's more that I have a 250 gigabyte mechanical hard disk, which is not good at all. I plan to change this eventually. I'll do probably a short video about it. Very, very short one. Because it's easy as fuck to change a hard disk on this PowerPC Max. It's running pretty well, even if it's on far, and it's running as well as it was running on the 6600, the other card I showed you earlier, that shitty card, on normal. So I think this is a success actually. Let's try to change it back to normal. Let's change it back to normal. And do I have this is like a kind of pre-modded Optifine thing? Can I see my FPS? Well, if I do F3, I can see my FPS. F3, okay. So we are doing 20 something FPS. 30, 20, 22, 24. That's actually pretty damn good. Like seriously, I'm not trying to bluff it or anything. It's good. I'm actually not hearing the game because it's going into the capture card. So maybe it's all musicy and thingies, and no, I'm just seeing the game and it runs well. It's playable. It's certainly playable. More than 20 FPS Minecraft. It's fine. I don't need a lot of precision. I could lower it. I could lower the graphics even more, and maybe it will work even better. And I don't know why, but this version, this is 1.1.5.1. It always spawned in this kind of biome, and I don't know why. Maybe something with this version of Minecraft that I don't know. It just has like a preference for this kind of biome. Let's try to change some settings and try to reach that 60 FPS power. Okay, let's put fast and no smooth lining, and let's change to short and turn off advanced OpenGL. I'll actually get it lower. Let's go back on. Oh, that's better. See OpenGL. If you have good OpenGL card, you can reach it. Minimal particles, and I'll keep VSync anyway. Whoa, that's smooth as fuck. Okay, maybe you can see it. You can't see it because I'm capturing this at 30. But oh, you should be able to see the difference. Oh, this is clearly very, very, very good. This is certainly playable. The view distance is shitty anyway. That's another thing. But yes, you can play like this. Like I don't need fancy leaves. But even if I wanted like 25 frames per second, it's not bad at all for this computer. Let's change it again to normal, which is the recommended setting for this computer. Oh, it's actually pretty good. It's over 30. I mean, I could play at 30 something FPS. I think this is great. I could play like this. It's a shame that no one wants to play 1.5 because it's old as fuck. But seriously, this is actually pretty good. So maybe I'll do a follow-up video in the future when I get more Mac games. Okay, so in the end, we managed to install the 7800 DT on our PowerMac G5, which I'm very happy about because it turned out great. So now we can close her up, and it's ready for a new life. Oh, yeah, wrong way. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay. So now it's ready. Big Apple logo. I actually don't like Apple as a company, but this computer is very beautiful. I should do a review on this one, like a proper review. This is more like an improvised video, so you can see what kind of things I have to do to get them working. So yeah, I'm super happy about it. So if you like this video, if you really enjoyed me tinkering with it, I'm probably doing it, not breaking shit, which is not the usual thing that happens on this channel. You will see. Eventually you will see. This is the first video of the channel, of course. So if you liked it, press the like button over here, I guess, I think. And if you really hated it, you can press this one over here, so I can know that you didn't like it, and I can do other kind of shit. I really do a lot of things. I enjoy a lot of things, not just tinkering with old computers. So until the next time, stay nerdy.